Here's my gear list for the El Camino. We've got sunglasses. We've got the tent, the nature hike tent. It's probably the heaviest thing in my pack. It's been on a lot of hikes, a lot of camping trips. It's very reliable, but it's a little bit heavy. But we're gonna need it, and it's gonna be essential. This is my sleeping pad. It's a 3/4 Traverse. It's not a full size. It's an OEX Traverse. But yeah, I don't really mind it being 3/4 size. It's actually lighter, so it's actually better, I feel, because my feet will hang off the end, but it's not a big deal. It's not really where you need padding when you're sleeping, so really happy with this one. I've got the drone, and the drone is in a little case that we got on Amazon, and it fits in there pretty well. Pretty happy with that. It provides some padding, it's lightweight, and it protects the drone. Bringing this for my sleeping bag. It's tiny, it's not actually a sleeping bag, it's a sleeping liner. It's a nature hike. I'm actually taking a bit of a risk with this one because I'm not bringing a sleeping bag. I'm deciding I want to save a little bit of space and a little bit of weight in my pack, and I've basically just been paying attention to the weather in Spain and Portugal where we're going, and it's going to be around 20 degrees at night, so I think I'll be okay. I sleep kind of warm anyway, but yeah, I mean 20 degrees, I'll be fine. Yeah, it brings me to the clothes, I guess. So I've got this t-shirt, they're both polyester, breathable, light. And then I've got one more that I'm gonna throw on the day that we leave for the airport. I've got 2 pairs of shorts. This is one of them. These are my Fall Raven ones. Super lightweight, super fast drying. Also bringing a power bank, which happens to be the second heaviest thing in my pack, just this little thing, next to my tent that I'm bringing. But I feel it's gonna be essential because we have so many things to charge. We've got our phones, we've got our cameras, and we have the drone as well. So the power bank's really good. We've tested it before. We're able to get a full charge on all our equipment, and it still has a little bit left in it. So it's a little bit of extra weight, but I think it's worth it. Microfiber towel. Here's the case. I'm just gonna put all of this in. I've got my buff. Just a little bit of extra sun protection, really. Got 3 pairs of socks, and these are supposedly blister proof or blister protection, so we'll see how they do. I haven't really tried out any blister protection socks before, but after 200 miles I think we might need some. 3 pairs of Grundies. We've got Nalgene and a Contigo coffee mug. I think that's a little bit of a luxury, but I just think having coffee on the go would be worth it, but we'll see. Nalgene, I'm not a huge fan of Nalgenes, just because they're bulky. It's like way too bulky, but I'm kind of in the market for something a little less bulky and a little bit more malleable and maybe a little lighter. If you can find something. If you have a recommendation, pop it in the comments. Got a, Holly just got me this. It's just to put your toiletry, little toiletry bags. I've got, it's an Osprey bag. Just got the soap that I'm going to be bringing in there right now. It's an all-purpose soap. It's going to be used for, Holly's got one of these as well, so we're going to be using that to clean the clothes, to clean our bodies. It's just everything. And we're going to stay clean. Got a little travel toothpaste. I'll put my toothbrush in there tonight after I use it. I've got a collapsible bag. That's going to be coming with me on the plane. And that'll have just essentials in it. Like it'll have this camera that I'm using right now, the Sony ZV-1. And just a couple things that I'll need for the plane ride. I've got my little Ultrapod here, and this will be used for the camera or with the camera. It'll attach to here, and it's just great for certain shots. It also, you can tie it with the strap against poles and tree branches, and it just gives you just extra options to set up a shot. It's pretty cool. Camera case. This camera that I'm holding right now will go in this case. We also bought a UK to European outlet, and it also has the USB ports on there as well. So again, just pretty lightweight. Don't have to worry about that really. That's my gear list. And I'm hoping that we're gonna keep it light. I made some sacrifices with the clothes, not bringing much really in terms of the t-shirts and the shorts. So, hoping that pays off. But yeah, really excited. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't already, go check out Holly's setup for the Camino that we're about to go to tomorrow. She's done a gear list as well. Also, if you have any questions about our gear, why we use our gear that we have, we're going to try to get a scale so that we can weigh some of the gear, because I know some people are curious on how heavy our packs are, for example. Yeah, any questions, just drop it in the comments and we'll definitely get to it. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe.